this quick test with me right now. Seriously, stand up now. Squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Did your hips tuck under? Did your stomach instantly flatten out? If the answer is yes, congratulations. You don't have a belly problem. You have a fake belly, basically. Your pelvis is tilted forward, forcing your organs to spill out, making you look 10 pounds heavier than you actually are. So why is this happening? Let's be real for a second. Think about your day. You sit for breakfast, you sit in the car, you sit at your desk for 8 hours, you sit on the couch. That is over 10 hours of sitting every single day. Your body adapts to what you do most. It's trying to be efficient. So your hips get tight, your glutes turn off, and your posture collapses. Even when you finally stand up, your body is still stuck in that chair shape. Here's the easiest way to understand it. Imagine your pelvis is a bowl of water. Right now, because of those tight muscles, you are spilling that water all over your shoes because the bowl is tipped forward. Your lower back curves like a banana and your gut pushes out. But the good news? We can fix this mechanism. In about 5 minutes, we are going to treat your body like a machine. We need to loosen the tight parts and wake up the weak parts. Let's get into it. Move 1, the hip flexor stretch. Get into a lunge. Now, don't just lean forward. Tuck your tailbone under. You should feel a deep stretch right in the front of the hip. We are finally releasing that tension from sitting all day. Move 2, the glute bridge. Lie down, feet flat. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Crucial tip, squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Poke them if you have to. Seriously, touch them. Make sure they are engaged. This pulls the pelvis back into neutral. Move 3, the dead bug. This looks easy, but it's humbling. Keep your lower back glued to the floor as you extend opposite arm and leg. This teaches your deep core to hold your pelvis steady while your body moves. Move 4, cat-cow. On all fours, arch your spine, then round it up. Think of this like flossing for your spine. It reminds your brain how to control your pelvic position so you don't get stuck in that arch. Move 5, child's pose. Sit back on your heels and reach forward. Just breathe here. Relax the lower back tension you've been carrying around all week. Listen to me. Do this routine daily for just 2 to 3 weeks. You will start to notice something crazy. That belly will flatten out. The back pain will fade. You will naturally stand taller without trying. Your posture isn't just about how you look. It's about how you function. Try the test again in a week and tell me the difference. Hit subscribe my channel if you want to fix your body the smart way. I'll see you in the next video.